For those of you unfamiliar with the 1940 Disney classic Fantasia, more specifically Mickey Mouse's portrayal as the Sorcerer's Apprentice, I cannot recommend it enough. It is Disney 2D animation at its very best, and probably Mickey's finest performance. It's interesting to note that the Sorcerer's Apprentice was first conceived by Walt Disney as a silly symphony short, the goal being to shine the spotlight on the now redesigned version of Mickey Mouse as he was becoming somewhat of a has-been by the late 1930s. Hard to believe. But like many other Disney projects, this was soon expanded into a full-length film featuring music by legendary conductor Leopold Stokowski. Mickey's boss, the Sorcerer, Yen Sid, was inspired by none other than Walt Disney himself, and it is said that the Sorcerer's stern glare was similar to the way Walt used to look at his animators as they worked. By the way, Yen Sid is Disney backwards. And finally, as crazy as it sounds, in the middle of production, some of the staff proposed that Mickey be replaced in his role of Sorcerer's Apprentice by Dopey from the Seven Dwarfs, but Walt was adamant that Mickey remain in the role, and the rest, as they say, is history. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full lesson on how to draw Mickey as the Sorcerer's Apprentice and hundreds of other videos.